What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Justin. I'm back. Currently 4:30 in the morning. Today I'm going to take you through a full day of eating double IFYM, which means if it fits your macros, because that's the way that I enjoy the diet. And today is kind of maintenance calories, 2,800, just because I'm not really cutting no more. You'll notice whenever I give you a physique update that I'm holding on to some water. It's just because after the photo shoot I've binged pretty hard. So tag along, see how I eat, and just take into account that my macros are not your macros. You should get some tailored to you, or just experiment with it and see how your weight fluctuates with the macros that you intake. So let's get this thing started. Alright guys, physique update. 2,800 calories, give or take a day. Intuitive eating right now because of the photo shoot. Threw me way off track. Protocol week, binge. It was terrible. But without further ado, let's get into this full day eating. Alright, now granted, I don't actually weigh out my servings, so I'm pretty generous with them, but it's just, normally it's a couple handfuls. A few strawberries, blueberries. I'm pretty generous with the blueberries. Kale in there for some greens. Finish it off with some almond milk. And then 1 scoop of protein. And she's ready to go. And what you're left with, a pretty thick base. Pretty thick smoothie. Fills you up, got a lot of volume. Pretty good for in the mornings. First meal of the day, protein smoothie. I also supplement with a multivitamin every morning. 2 of them, and they're gummies because I'm a child. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna enjoy this smoothie, wind up for work, head to Starbucks, grab me a coffee, and then head into work. So I'll see you at Starbucks.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. How can I get you started today?
How you doing this morning?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How about you?
Good. Can I get a Trenta salted cream cold foam cold brew? And then I'm gonna get 2 pumps of caramel and 6 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. And then can I get that double blended, please? Yes, ma'am. That's it.
All right, we'll see you up here.
Sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
340 calories in this. I got it tall because I couldn't sleep at all last night. So, and I like coffee. So 340 calories. Smacks. Smacks. If you haven't tried it yet, you gotta try it. Off to work I go. I'll see you for the next meal here shortly. Alright y'all, off work. Had an early day today. I gotta go talk to my orthopedic. But before that, we're going to get our second meal of the day. The Holy Grail, best fast food ever. And it's like got really good macros for it being fast food. Majority of y'all, if you've watched my videos before, know what I'm going for. So let's head on over there and get this meal started. Alright, so if any of y'all guessed Chick-fil-A, y'all were right. But the line is tremendously long. And I don't know if it's just me, but when it comes to Chick-fil-A, I don't mind sitting in the line because I know that it's fixing to go streaky and it's gonna go by fast, and I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna get settled. But look at this. It goes all the way to the restaurants over there. Whew, I'm gonna be here for a minute. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin, how may I serve you?
Can I get a spicy chicken deluxe sandwich, please?
Just a sandwich or the meal?
I'll get the meal.
Sure, want to drink?
Frosted diet lemonade.
Okay, is Diet Frost lemonade?
Yes, ma'am.
Small or large?
Large is fine.
Large. Do you want a large fry?
That's fine.
Okay, any sauce?
Just a cilantro lime sauce.
Sure.
And on that sandwich, can I get it the cheese pepper jack?
Yeah, of course. Yep.
And that's it.
All right, it's gonna be $10.98 around the corner. Okay.
All right,
Have
sweet.
a great day.
You as well. Thank you. bag secured. I'm gonna put y'all on something. Diet frosted lemonade, gas. If you're not getting it, you're missing out. What are you doing, boy? Oh yeah, oh yeah. What are you doing? All right, so what we got here is a spicy chicken deluxe from Chick-fil-A with the cilantro lime sauce. And this is a taste test right now. I give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. And take into consideration, I don't eat like this every day. This is double I FYM, which is if it fits your macros. So essentially, I can fit whatever I want into my macro count or calories. So it's a lot easier to adhere to than just traditional dieting. So I'm gonna go ahead and smack this, and I'll see y'all at the gym. All right guys, so I actually lied. First, it's a pre-workout meal, and this is what I got. 4 of these chocolate rice cakes, 2 scoops of protein powder. We're going down that, and then we're going to the gym. Let's get it. What's up, my boy? Say what's up to you two.
What's up, man? How y'all doing?
All right, so we got Infinity Fitness behind us. My boy Logan been putting in work with me. His transformation is about to be crazy. In just 3 months, he's done crazy stuff already. So just wait on it. Now today, we're gonna go through a little push workout. I'm gonna throw in some clips of the workout here and there with some music over it, and we'll get to the final meal after the workout. So for now, enjoy this workout footage. Let's get it.
Like the ocean, oh, your treasure hidden down below. And suddenly does it come, I know. Should I be scared?
Alright, so it's a lighter bench day for me because my shoulder's messed up. But we're going 4 sets. First set's to 10, last 2 sets are 8 reps.
For things you'll never show. I guess I just don't wanna let go. But something tells me not to wait no more.
Main keys to focus on is pinching your shoulder blades back and down into the bench. Do not let your front delts take over. Make your chest do the work. Let's go.
I can't feel
son of a bitch.
I need to just get away from this dude. The more I believe them, the more I can do.
Workout complete. How you feeling, Logan? How you feeling after that workout, dog?
Train, bro, train.
That's up for something else. Something else. So now, final meal of the day coming at you. As soon as I get back home, let's get it rolling. Final meal of the day: 3 whole eggs, 230 grams of egg whites, 6 turkey sausage links, and that's it. Macros are going to be posted right up in the left-hand corner. Alright, you guys, so that wraps up my full day of eating on my maintenance calories. I'll be doing a shredding overall here soon because I gotta get back right and gotta get back on the grind because I have something big coming up in the future and I gotta get back shredded so I don't lose my gains. But if you're still watching the video, just want to say thank you. Drop me one of these, click subscribe, click the notification button because there's more coming. Stay tuned.